back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. I'm gonna make a Jamaican breakfast. Alright? First of all, just a pinch of olive oil inside of the front pan, roughly a teaspoon and a half of olive oil inside of the front pan. This is a medium-sized front pan right here, guys. I'll have it on about a second now or 2 seconds. A little bit more heat because I turned on my stove a little bit a while ago. If you remember this breakfast in Jamaica, please write it below. So the question, who remember this breakfast in Jamaica? Alright, as I say, you can see. Then half of a white onion, cut up very fine. So I'll take it off about a second. Who remember this kind of breakfast back in Jamaica? I put myself, I remember. Alright, so that's the onion, so I'll take off. 2 frankfurter cut up very small. Who remember this kind of breakfast? You tell me, guys. Tell me if you remember these back in Jamaica. Alright? So saute this off for about 1 and 2 to 3 minutes on a medium sized heat. Please write it below if you remember these kind of things back in Jamaica. Some old school. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. Alright? Who remember this kind of breakfast back in Jamaica? You tell me, guys. You tell me, please. This is finished. So right here I have 2 slices of bread, a little bit of butter, make 2 sandwich. Alright? Who remember this kind of breakfast back in Jamaica when they were young and growing up, and your mommy used to look after this, give it before you go to school, or on a Saturday morning, or on a Sunday morning? I remember those days in Jamaica. These days, I will never forget. These are the old good days. With some cocoa tea or some hot chocolate tea. Then, a little bit of ketchup. That's you. And that's you. If you remember, please write it below, the description below. That's where others can know what's happening in the world. This is fried up frankfurter served with bread and hot cup of chocolate tea right over here. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments if you remember this recipe in Jamaica. See you next time. Bye bye. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking program today. Today we want to show you guys that, you know what I mean, tell you a little bits and tips about Christmas. Christmas is coming up soon. Basically, I want to tell you something, guys. Remember, look out for the pot roast beef. We got lamb coming up, we got turkey, we got roast chicken, we got a lot of things coming up for this Christmas. If you have any idea, anything you want to share with Chef Ricardo, please share it with me. If you have anything you want to request for me to make for you, remember you can request it and I will definitely make it for you. I want to say thank you guys for all of you who support me and subscribe to the channel, giving me a lot of tips and ideas and things, and also your comments is just brilliant. So remember, you can follow me on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and also Google Plus. So guys, follow me and get more idea. Don't miss out anything. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time. And remember, Christmas, we have a lot of idea. Remember the Jamaican rum fruit cake and sorry. So a lot of things is coming up for you guys. So thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you next time.